Hi everybody! I just want to quickly introduce myself and say thanks for taking the time to visit my website and learn about my system of fitness and fat loss, which I really do consider to be the best way to exercise and the best way to eat. My name is Doug Jones, and I'm the guy in the lower left-hand corner of the screen. Yes, that really is me, and those are my real before and after photos. No Photoshop and no steroids. And considering that I've dealt with issues like rheumatoid arthritis, Lyme disease, undiagnosed for 8 years and bad enough that I couldn't walk or shake hands, a broken back, and a head-on rollover car accident, which basically broke everything else. Anyway, considering that I've dealt with all these issues, my before and after metamorphosis was pretty good for only 12 weeks. November 10th to February 2nd, 84 days on the nose, which also means I did this during Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's, so anything's possible, no excuses. And all those people scrolling across the screen, those are just a handful of my actual clients who did the same thing. They're possibly people just like you, who for the most part probably hate to exercise and love to eat. And that's okay, you have to start somewhere, right? But if you know the scientific secrets to fitness and fat loss, you don't have to exercise very much, and you actually get to eat a lot more than you might think. At my fitness center in Connecticut, I've actually helped over 1,000 people in person make this specific physique transformation. And it's not always about gaining muscle and losing fat. My system is also the best way to exercise and eat for people with high blood pressure, osteoporosis, heart disease, an assortment of injuries, or even pulmonary issues like asthma or COPD. Seriously, if you have a problem, I have the solution. All you have to do is trust me enough to take that first step and get the secret. I've already helped thousands of people in person and hundreds of millions of people online, so letting you in on the #1 best kept secret in the world of fitness is my way of giving back. Best yet, it's an extremely simple principle, which you can either begin to incorporate into your existing exercise program, or if you're lucky enough to not be currently involved in a formal fitness program, you can learn the secret today and get started the right way tomorrow, or next week, or next month or year. It doesn't matter. You can start when you're good and ready. No pressure, but at least you'll have the secret. And in case you're still listening, I should probably tell you that this self-proclaimed quote-unquote secret is not a fad. It is fact. I've actually written an entire book on the validity of this single principle. And who am I? Well, I'm not just a guy who had to whip himself back into shape after a series of physical setbacks. I'm also an exercise physiologist who graduated #1 in his class with a 3.99 GPA, earned a master's degree in exercise physiology on a full academic scholarship, and is even, drumroll please, a member of Mensa. In other words, I know my stuff and I do my homework. But with that being said, I think it's probably just as important that I've been where you possibly are right now. I know what it's like to start fresh or start over. It's not fun, but it's definitely worth it. You are definitely worth it. Yes, it's a lot of money, but it's a lot less expensive than being unhealthy, out of shape, sick, or diseased. And unfortunately, investing money in your health is sometimes the only thing that forces you to find the time to exercise. For now, let's start with the single, smartest, simplest, speediest, and safest 7-second secret solution to starting a sustained system of strength, stamina, stretching, and sustenance. So, let's get this party started. I promise to do my best to help you be your best. This is Doug Jones, signing off.